right, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 8-in-1 electric manicure and pedicure kit. Has 5 speed adjustments and 4,200 rotation per minute. The side of the box mentions low decibel, equipped with a strengthened bearing and advanced motor with low vibration. It's portable, it's pin-shaped, so it can easily fit in your pouch or purse. Rechargeable with a built-in rechargeable battery and adjustable speeds for up to 5 different speeds. Just the sticker over here, electric nail drill. And the back shows you foot care, hand care, polishing, manicure, as well as some warnings and what color you have. And nothing on the top or bottom. So let's open it up and see what we're working with here. What all comes in this box? All right, slide it out. That's it for the box. So right on top, a little quick guide, and then a user's manual, which tells you all the different bits and parts of the product. Then we have, that's like a little protective shield. They included USB-C type cable to recharge it. I love it when it's C-type. And then all of these different heads. So like this one here looks to be this one in the corner, so whatever that does. This one looks to be the callus sanding bit up here in the top left. The large cone bit looks to be this one. This looks to be the felted wood bit. This looks to be the barrel bit. This looks to be the small cone bit. This looks to be the needle bit. And this looks to be the circular milling cutter. I believe I got those right, but they're all listed here. And then lastly, except for that, the actual rechargeable nail cutter. Seems very easy to use. Wow, so you can actually set it to baby for like if it's a baby. Let me pop one of these on here. So these just slide right in, nice and easy. Now, you can go either direction, so reverse and forward. And then when you pick one, if you pick this button here, it'll go to adult, medium, fast, and strong. Then you can also turn that light on and off. Very nice, nice and small. USB-C port on the bottom to charge it. And outside of that, these all just pop right out. And whatever other one you have can easily pop right in. That should essentially do it for this 8-in-1 electric manicure and pedicure kit. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.